Okay, so just now I told about introduction of reading. The next thing is students lose marks under reason analysis. They think direct answers will be in IELTS test. In IELTS test there is no direct answers. Out of 40 questions, 2 or 3 questions will be direct answers. Most of the answers you have to conclude by logic or reason or cognitive thinking. You need much thinking process than your English grammar in IELTS test. So today we are going to talk about true, false, not given. How to approach true, false, not given. Okay, according to my true definition. Okay, I just don't want to write down here, I'll just tell you. According to true definition, according to the question, exact, relevant, logical information found in the passage, it is true. That is, exact information should be there from the question point of angle, or relevant or logical information should be there in the passage. Then when you write true. False is, there are two types of false is there. One is opposite information, one is contradiction information. For example, opposite information is the train leaves at Chennai at 5:30 p.m. is mentioned here. Okay, but in the passage it is mentioned 6:30 p.m. So here we have an opposite information called false. Okay, another information is contradictory. Contradictory information. The train leaves at 5:30 p.m. they told, but they are telling due to heavy rains the trains have been cancelled the whole day. So the trains have been cancelled means totally we have to conclude that the trains are not going to leave in the evening also. So we write the answer false. Sometimes students may lie not given, but it is a contradiction. Contradiction means if you understand the contradiction, whatever statement is already given, when you are giving another statement which is totally disagreeing with the statement without any valid proof. Okay. So contradiction, if you understand, you can do. The not given is very simple. It's very simple not given, but most students get confused between false and not given. For when you are writing false, you should have always evidence of contradictory or any opposite information. You can write false. When these both two things are missing, you can write not given. And not given is very simple. When it is not that mentioned in the passage, you write not given. Do not write false or true. Okay. So for not given, how the information will be decided is, it will be unclear. Okay, missing information or no information. This is the definition of not given. Sometimes the statements will not be very clear in the passage according to the question point of angle, or sometimes there will be missing information. They will be the train leaves at 5:30 p.m. They mention in the evening only, so they have not mentioned the timing. So there is missing information or no information. So for not given, we will not have sufficient evidence to write true or false. When you are not having sufficient evidence to write true or false, then you go for not given. Okay, so 90% students they for false they write not given, for not given they write false. So by means of lot of practice, you can easily differentiate which is not given and which is false. So this is true, false, not given. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see about headings. Thank you very much.